Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. It's winter in the western Canadian province of Alberta, and that means it's cold. This season has already brought temperatures as low as 50 below zero. But I'm on a construction site, as you can see, at a major infrastructure project in Alberta to see how crews and equipment are able to work comfortably and successfully in these brutal temperatures, and how big operations like this can help save fuel costs and greenhouse gases in the process. Let's take a look.
Today, our Earth faces a worrisome trend when it comes to climate change. Even a 1 degree Fahrenheit increase in the Earth's temperature may seem insignificant, but it has a massive consequence for the environment.
You know, climate scientists have been telling us for quite some time now that the increased buildup of greenhouse gases is going to lead to some pretty severe climate changes, including more severe droughts, floods, hurricanes, and the nature, and we're seeing those. So it's more important now than ever that we use innovative products for energy efficiency.
No industry understands the need for more innovative energy and heating solutions than industrial construction sites, like this one in Alberta, Canada. These workers are exposed to dangerous cold temperatures for hours at a time, and they need reliable heat, power, and lights for drilling tunnels, no matter how grueling the conditions become.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. We have to stay running here, just the nature of the project that we're doing. We can't stop, so we have to make our way through it no matter what. In this area here, it can go to -40, and that brings additional challenges to an already constricted site for us here.
But this Canadian site is using a new high-tech kind of portable CHP, a combined heat and power unit, to keep workers warm and machines running while also lighting up the night.
It's called Basecamp, a device that's so efficient it's the only piece of construction equipment that's ever been certified by the prestigious Green Seal.
That makes it the first green certified industrial heater, light tower, and generator in the world.
So we came here to our nation's capital to talk to the CEO of Green Seal at his company's headquarters in Washington, D.C.
Green Seal is a global nonprofit that sets rigorous health and environmental standards for products of all types. The Basecamp on-site generator really sets itself apart from its competition because of its demonstrated performance in sustainability. And that's really accomplished by their high level of efficiency. You know, for a generator that creates heat, power, and light, it's pretty impressive that Basecamp is able to achieve a 97% efficiency, whereas many other similar types of on-site generators operate at only about a 33% efficiency rating.
This innovation of flameless heating technology, light source, and power generation behind Basecamp comes from a company called Thermal Intelligence. They were looking for a cleaner, greener solution to meet the environmental challenges facing the construction industry.
From our extensive time in this industry, we've learned that traditional temporary heaters emit greenhouse gases like crazy because they go through a significant amount of fuel. The Basecamp mobile CHP, a combined heat and power system, utilizes energy that those traditional equipment wastes, which reduces fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. It's a win for the industry and for the planet.
The Basecamp 3-in-1 units used at this construction site were provided by premium rental house Herc Rentals, with hundreds of locations all over the US and Canada. In conjunction with their environmental management policy, Herc is committed to growing a green and environmentally friendly fleet across all of their product lines, allowing their customers to reduce their carbon footprint, and Basecamp fit the bill.
So in our market, we're Alberta, very heavy in energy, and it's all burn. With a product like this, we can start working towards the global network of carbon footprint and burn half the fuel that it would burn from another unit that we typically have before. A lot of our sites are 24/7 remote with no access to anything else. So if we have a pipe burst, for example, this is where this comes in, keeps everything warm, keeps lights, security for the area, but it's that critical infrastructure of maintaining the customer's access, which is critical.
On construction sites, every time someone has to touch a piece of equipment, it costs money. So we designed the base camp to need as little attention as possible and provide the greatest operation efficiencies. Our proprietary SmartTalk wireless technology is 24/7 remote monitoring control via smartphone or via the computer. With the base camp, we're leveraging modern technology to provide a solution that is smart, green, a win for industry and the planet.
Technology really is changing the way we heat construction sites and prepare for climate change. And let's face it, the brand name says it all: thermal intelligence.